Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Becky and I post fashion and lifestyle content here on YouTube and every single day over on Instagram, so I'd love to see your faces over there too. So first of all, I haven't posted in ages because I was really ill last week. I thought I had corona, I didn't. Long story short, I did explain that a little bit more in my vlog, which will be going up sometime this week or may already be up, I'm not sure. But also now winter is like playing with his toy on my foot. I don't know why. And there are some workmen outside who are doing something on the building. And it'll be a bit of a hot mess today, but we're gonna get through this because I really want to film this video today because I'm gonna have a little bit of a like self-care evening a little bit later. So I thought it would be nice to film this video today. So what today's video is basically going to be is I'm going to show you some of my favorite self-care items. HQ Hair very kindly let me pick out some self-care items from their website because I think that we're all feeling the January blues this year, especially with lockdown. It's just not great. I'm kidding, like I know it's necessary, but also let's not dwell on it too much because I'm sure you guys already know. So let's oh god, my legs are like numb from sitting still for so long. So shall we start with top down? Let's start with the scalp. So this is one of my favorite hair care things ever. This is, I think, my third tub. I don't know if it's gonna focus. So this is the Kristoff sea salt scrub. This is for your scalp. It smells so fresh and just so lovely. Can you see it's like a really thick salt scrub, and basically you can use this kind of like instead of shampoo, but how I use it is that sometimes I get like dandruff in this kind of area of my head. So if I see that I'm starting to get a little bit of dandruff, I will use this, give my head a really good scrub, and then that usually clears out really well. Or sometimes, you know, sometimes like when you wash your hair it just doesn't quite feel clean, or you feel like it needs a little bit of something extra. This is really good for really getting rid of loads of extra oils. It never makes my hair feel like dried out or like stripped kind of clean. It just gives it a really great kind of clean feeling. I don't know how to describe the difference, but it's really good, I promise. And what else can I show you for my hair? Oh, I did bring, these are not something that HQ Hair sent to me, but they do sell it on their website, so I thought I would show you as well. These are my favorite shampoo and conditioner ever. They are the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths. I have, actually not at the moment, my hair isn't that long at the moment because I cut like 2 inches off of it the other day. But I do have relatively long hair, and this helps my hair stay so strong and shiny and smells really nice. I don't even know what that smell is. It's just nice. Really affordable and really good for your hair, so I would definitely recommend trying those out. You can't use my discount code on these because it's only on certain stuff, but like I said, they're quite affordable anyway, and you can get them on the HQ website anyway, so I will pop a link to them. So then the other things I want to show you for my hair is this hair mask. This hair mask is from Grow Gorgeous, and I have tried so many hair masks. I've tried the one that matches these, the Dream Lengths one. I've tried that banana one that everybody likes, and they're both nice, like they're both good, but this is like something else. So I tried this a few weeks ago for the first time. Oh, it's so good. And have used it a couple of times since. And basically what I do is I just pop it all over my hair and put my hair in a bun, and then go to bed and let it do its stuff, and then the next day your hair is so glossy, beautiful, so soft. Then another thing that I've been using is the Grow Gorgeous Intense Growth Serum. So you put this like along your scalp, and obviously it does what it says, it helps your hair grow faster. Obviously I just cut my hair, so I can't really show you anything on that, but it does have a really nice smell. It makes my hair feel really nice, so even if it isn't growing, it definitely feels great. And my hair has been growing really quickly recently. Actually, I get a lot of comments about it on Instagram, so maybe it is growing. It's hard to tell when it's your own hair, but either way it's a nice product and the oil feels nice in your hair and stuff, so I don't mind too much. Whilst we're on the hair, I do want to mention a couple more things to you. Again, you can't use a discount code on these, but they are on the HQ website, so I will link them on the HQ hair website as well. So this is the Olaplex number 3 and number 7, and I got these on the HQ hair website last year. So this one, you put it on your hair for 10 minutes when it's wet, and it helps like heal your hair. It's a hair perfector that repairs and strengthens. And this one is the bonding oil, and I put this on my hair if I just wanted to feel a little bit glossier, if it's just looking a bit like meh. I put it on as a heat protector, I put it on as a finishing oil all the time. I put loads on. I used to be so afraid of oils, but recently I've gotten really comfortable with them and I use them loads, and I feel like my hair is really benefiting from it. And I've been using this one for about 3 or 4 months, I think, and that's how much I've used. So it definitely lasts really well, and they've definitely helped a lot to repair my damaged hair and help kind of maintain and keep healthy the hair that wasn't yet damaged. So yeah, again, they aren't in the discount code, but I did want to share them because they are from the same website and they are really good. If we move on to the face now, I have a few things to show you. So this is the Sanctuary Spa Moisture Burst Face Wash. This exact one isn't on the discount code, but the mini one is, so I thought that I would share it. This is so basic, but this is actually so nice. Does this smell as well? This one smells so like, I don't actually know what this smells of, but lots of Sanctuary Spa stuff smells like this, so to me it just smells like Sanctuary Spa. Anyway, this is their Moisture Burst Face Wash. This will leave your face feeling so soft, so bright. It makes me feel so awake because it has this like cooling sensation to it. Really lovely, really great for the mornings or just anytime you want a bit of a pick-me-up. And then I also love the Pixie in the shower steam facial. This one, I'll put a bit on my nose then. Again, I don't know what that smell is, but it smells nice. And basically it like deep cleanses, and it's like a gel that you massage into your face when you're in the shower, and then the warm steam like activates it and it warms up on your face and feels so nice. Literally like a little spa treatment in your shower. I do this pretty much every day in the shower because it's so nice. I don't know if you're even meant to use it that often, it doesn't say, but I do it every day and I love it. And again, like I've been using this for months and you can see it's barely been touched, like it goes so far. So nice for your skin and just feels so luxurious as well, which is amazing. Then of course I wouldn't be a blogger talking about skincare if I don't mention the Pixie Glow Tonic. You might notice this one is actually sealed and unopened, and that's because I bought the I got the mini version on Black Friday, and I don't want to open the big one until I finish this one, but I've been loving this one so much that I have obviously gone and got the big one. So this is how much I've used since I got this around Black Friday. I think I got it actually a bit before Black Friday because I got it when I was doing some promotions for Black Friday. And this is so good at like keeping your skin clear and bright. It's a chemical exfoliant. So it can help you to get all the dead skin cells and all the dirt off your skin without the irritation of a like physical scrub. You know sometimes how some like face washes or exfoliants and stuff can have really harsh like little beads in that can kind of scratch at your face and make your face a bit sore. Chemical exfoliant obviously doesn't do that because it's using chemicals to clear your skin, so it's much more gentle on the skin and has worked wonders for me. My skin is so glowy these days and like I love it. All I've done this morning is wash my face and use my Glow Tonic. I haven't even put moisturizer on yet, so this is just how my skin is. Love it. Lastly for the face, this is the Glam Glow Super Mud. I don't know if it's gonna focus. So I've spoken about this quite a few times on my Instagram, and it is my favorite face mask ever. Again, this one's fastened because I haven't quite finished my old one yet. but I usually buy the, I think, 50-gram tub that's about £40–45 a tub, but I spotted that they had this little one which is 15 grams and is about £17 a tub, I think. So I thought that this might be a bit more of a slightly affordable option for somebody who doesn't want to go all in and invest on the entire like big tub. So I thought it would be worth sharing with you guys. This is amazing if you want something that will help clear up spots quickly, clear up your skin quickly, brighten your skin quickly. I always wear this like the night before a big shoot or the night before a big event, or if I have really bad skin, I'll pop this on and it helps clear it up so quickly. I don't know what they put in this stuff, but it's made of basically miracles and it's pricey, but I could not recommend it more. And obviously you can use the discount code to get some money off of it, and trust me, like once you try this, no other face mask is ever going to compare. I love it so much. Next thing is this body scrub. So you guys might know that actually I was a big fan of the Sanctuary Spa one. I have it here actually. This is the Sanctuary Spa Salt Scrub, and you can see it is pretty much dead. I got this one from HQ Hair as well last year, but because it has like quite a lot of moisture in it, I found that it wasn't quite giving me as intense of a scrub as I wanted anymore. So I wanted to try something a little bit more intense, which is why I tried this Frank Body one, which is very nice if you're looking for a really scrubby scrub. The coffee smell of this is the most intense coffee smell I've ever smelled, and it's so nice. Like I feel a bit energized just sniffing that, and it's literally like little coffee granules. Here's my camera, I'm going to focus on it. And then you just obviously scrub that in. Because I have quite bad eczema, I find that using scrubs like this or any body scrub really can really help keep my eczema at bay. I'll make sure that I really exfoliate places like the back of my elbows or my inside of my elbows, my kneecaps, my hands, and it really helps to manage my eczema. Also helps to manage those ingrown hairs very well. So yeah, I'm new to this one, but I'm really liking it so far. If you do want one that's slightly more moisturizing and less scrubby, try this one, because this also gives you a great moisturizing effect at the same time. They're both on HQ Hair. I'm going to put the links to them both. You can use the discount code on this one, but I don't think you can at the moment on this one though. So yeah, that's everything that I want to share with you guys today. I just thought that it'd be really nice to share some of my self-care favorites and help you guys find some new things that you might want to try out. And I think that now more than ever we all deserve to treat ourselves and take care of ourselves. So if you see anything you like, try it out. There is nothing in this box that I wouldn't spend my own money on. They're all amazing, so could not recommend any of them more. There's going to be links in the description box to everything for you to try out, and a discount code down there too. I'm going to put the discount code on the screen too, so you can try that out as well. And yeah, have a lovely day, take care of yourselves, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!